Siemens 8DN8 is the compact switchgear for voltages between 72.5 and 170 kilovolts and up to 63 kiloamperes. The highly flexible modular switchgear combines proven technology and unmatched versatility. It ensures simple operation and easy accessibility. All common bus schemes and even a mobile version can be implemented with a remarkably small number of active and passive modules. The compact and reliable stored energy spring mechanism is based on decades of practical experience and used throughout the entire Siemens 8D type platform. The same goes for the interrupter unit that uses the well-proven Siemens self-compression principle for extinguishing the arc. A unique feature of 8DN8 switchgear, used in several switchgear modules, is the three-position switching device. It combines the functions of a disconnecting switch and of a grounding switch. A special three-pole module enables the connection of the high-voltage cables in an outstandingly compact manner. 8DN8 switchgear is outstandingly compact. Several single or double switchgear bays, completely assembled and pre-tested, can be shipped as a single transport unit, a feature that ensures extremely fast construction and commissioning on site. The new power voltage transformer makes substantial external equipment requirements for the mandatory on-site high voltage test a thing of the past. 8DN8 switchgear is particularly safe, and its EMC and noise levels are extremely low. That's why it is ideally suited to bring high voltage power right into the centers of consumption, where space is at a premium, and even into highly sensitive areas, such as residential quarters. 8DN8 switchgear is also first choice for offshore platforms that connect offshore wind power to the grid. Today's 8DN8 switchgear combines Siemens' expertise as the world market leader in gas-insulated switchgear for up to 170 kilovolts, with over 40 years of experience from the world's largest installed base. The Siemens Schaltwerk Berlin delivered the first gas-insulated switchgear for 145 kilovolts in 1968, and they are still in operation. Proven technology, extremely compact design, and unmatched versatility make 8DN8 switchgear easy, fast, and flexible.